Thunderstorms and hail of level 8 in parts of Guangdong and Hunan. Heavy to heavy rain in 6 provinces and regions occurred at 6 a.m. this morning. The Central Meteorological Observatory issued a blue warning for severe convective weather, a blue warning for strong winds, and a blue warning for heavy rain. It is expected that from 8 o'clock today to 8 o'clock tomorrow, parts of Guangxi, Guangdong, Hunan, Jiangxi, and other places will experience thunderstorms or hail above level 8. Among them, some areas in northern Guangxi and other places will experience thunderstorms above level 10. It is expected that from 8 o'clock today to 8 o'clock tomorrow, heavy to heavy rain will occur in parts of Hunan, Jiangxi, Fujian, Guangxi, Guangdong, Yunnan, and other places. It is estimated that from 8 o'clock today to 8 o'clock tomorrow, some areas of Xinjiang, Tibet, Qinghai, Gansu, Inner Mongolia, Ningxia, and other places will experience winds of 5-6 levels and gusts of 7-8 levels. Be careful. The second round of severe convective weather in Guangdong this year has gradually begun. The Guangdong Meteorological Observatory predicts that due to the influence of the warm and humid air current from the south, the weather in Guangzhou will be unstable on March 14. Thunderstorms will become more active and thunderstorms may occur in the afternoon. From March 15 to 16, under the combined influence of the plateau trough, shear line, and cold air, Guangzhou experienced a process of heavy to heavy rain precipitation, accompanied by short-term heavy precipitation, short-term strong winds of 8 to 10, severe thunderstorms, local hail, and other strong convective weather. The maximum temperature on Sunday will be around 19 degrees Celsius. At present, severe convective weather in the south has developed in many places and is becoming more severe. Severe convective weather has occurred in East China, Central China, and South China. The rainfall at Lichuan Station in Jiangxi is close to the heavy rain level, and hail has occurred locally. In the next few days, affected by cold air and shear lines, severe convective weather in the south will continue and storm lines may appear locally. Please be prepared. The cold air has reached the middle and lower reaches of the Yangxi River. As it moves southward and collides with the warm and humid air current, Guangzhou will experience a heavy to torrential rain process from north to south from around the morning of the 15th, accompanied by short-term heavy rain of 20 to 50 millimeters per hour, short-term strong winds of 8 to 10 degrees and local winds of 11 degrees, strong thunderstorms, local hail, and other strong convective weather. The cumulative rainfall during the process will reach 40 to 80 millimeters. Heavy rainfall will mainly be concentrated in Huadu, Konghua, Baiyun, Zhengsheng, Huangpu, and urban areas. Rainfall tends to end from the evening of the 15th. It is expected that cold air will enter our city around the evening of the 15th. Under the combined influence of cold air and rainfall, the average daily temperature will drop by 7 to 9 from the 15th to the 17th. Please pay close attention to the latest weather forecasts and warnings and take precautions against waterlogging in urban and rural areas, geological disasters caused by heavy rain, and disasters that may be caused by strong winds, strong lightning, and local hail. If you encounter sudden weather events on the road, immediately take shelter indoors in a safe place. Safety comes first. On March 14, the Central Meteorological Observatory issued a blue warning for severe convective weather, a blue warning for strong winds, and a blue warning for heavy rain. Some areas in Guangxi, Guangdong, Hunan, Jiangxi, and other places will experience thunderstorms, strong winds, or hail above level 8. Severe convective weather refers to severe weather that occurs suddenly, is severe and very destructive, often accompanied by thunderstorms, strong winds, hail, and local heavy rain.